Hello and welcome to Math 120, Fundamentals of College Math. This is section 4001, 4002 online. My name is Jeff Downs. Here's my information over here. Email address, college webpage. My office is on the Carson campus, Aspen 224. And my phone number there is 445-4400. And here are my office hours. This might have to change because I have a class that has to have a live meeting. And it may have to fit into there, so things may change. But that's what it is tentatively or currently. Prerequisites: Math 96 or Math 95 with a grade of B- or better or equivalent. Course description offers a course in real numbers, consumer mathematics, variation functions, relations and graphs, geometry or measurement, probability and statistics, sets and logic. Okay, so it's very broad in scope. This is fun to me. It's a fun class to teach, and I wish I had a chance when I was a student to take a class like this. So topics include probability, statistics, business, finance, and consumer math. So we break it up into two parts. There's probability, statistics, business, finance, and consumer mathematics, and then the other part is the logic. We do that at the end. So it'll be 4 chapters we cover, and we could try to fit more in, but I think that I like to really focus on these 4 chapters. So 3-credit class. So this part here says it transfers within the state of Nevada to any other school, and it could transfer outside, but you got to check with the counselor with that. Linkage to college mission: provide instruction that contributes to students' ability to think critically and solve problems, to reason mathematically and apply computational skills. We're using the 10th edition of A Survey of Mathematics with Applications with Angel, Abbott, and Rund. So our textbook is, you can get either the book and My Math Lab or just My Math Lab. And if you go to mymathlab.com, you can get a 14-day trial. So it gives you a chance to get the money together to buy the access. So all the homework and exams are completed online. Supplies: you need a textbook, paper or online version, a calculator, the TI 83, 84, or 89, very helpful. I've used the 89 in this class. The TI 30X2S is also a very helpful calculator. It's pretty inexpensive, between $10 and $15. You can also use apps on the computer. Maybe there are apps on your phone as well. Grading scale: A, B, C, D, F right there. Grade breakdown: 1 midterm at 200 points, 10 quizzes at 10 points, 4 chapters at 50 points each, 10 postings at 10 points each, 1 final exam at 200 points. The discussions, you got to post on the discussion board at least 10 times, and I think I talk about that down here. So midterm, there'll be a midterm which is due October 18th, 2016. The midterm will be conducted in my math lab. The midterm will cover chapters 10 and 11. There'll be no makeup for a midterm. Quizzes: there will be 11 quizzes. The top 10 quizzes will be counted for the grade. Each quiz is worth 10 points toward the grade. If a quiz is missed, it will receive a score of 0. Homework: there will be 28 assignments over 4 chapters. Each chapter is worth 50 points. Homework will be completed through my math lab. To access this site, go to, you can paste that into your URL, your browser. I usually just type in mymathlab.com and it comes up. The course ID for this course is Downs67276. Discussions: you must provide at least 10 postings in the discussion board. The postings must be substantive, not simply say "I agree." You can either ask a question from our material or you can answer someone else's question. You can also post some math jokes in there. Your first posting should be an introduction about yourself. Final exam: the final exam is due December 13th, 2016. You will complete the final exam in my math lab. The final exam will cover chapters 12 and 3. Oh, yeah, that's right. Yeah, it's a new version of the book. Okay. So the other one should have said 10 and 11. Yep, good. No attendance is required for this course. Keeping pace with the schedule is required. A discussion grade is determined by the number of substantive posts on the discussion board and Canvas. I'll be checking posts in the introduction, homework, discussions, and math jokes area. People add other things in there, and I probably should go delete a bunch of them, but what I'm really focusing on are these areas. And to me, math jokes kind of helps build that community. Ethics statement: no cheating of any kind will be tolerated. Any student caught cheating, attempting to cheat, or assisting in the cheating of another student will be expelled from the class with a failing grade. Early alert, please note that in an effort to help students successfully complete their courses, the counseling office on campus will ask faculty for names of students they feel may be in need of additional assistance. A counselor may contact you to offer some ideas. No typo. Grade appeals can be made to Scott Morrison at, and there's his email. Disability statement. If you have a disability for which you will need to request accommodations, please contact Susan Trisk, Coordinator for Disability Support Services. And there's her phone number and email address as soon as possible to arrange for the appropriate accommodations. And then here are important dates in the class. This list for the quizzes, which sections are covered. And then you have our schedule. Okay. Hope that makes sense. Okay, we'll see you online.